2027 Dacia Spring will mark the launch of the second generation of the Romanian brand's 100% electric city car, signaling a complete revolution by abandoning production in China and moving it entirely to Europe. Dacia has just released the first official details of this model, which will share the Renault Group platform with the highly anticipated Renault Twingo E-Tech Electric. The car will no longer be assembled in Xi'an, with production moving to the Renault Group plant in Novo Mesto, Slovenia. It is expected to feature an 82-horsepower electric motor that will send power to the front axle, improving urban agility compared to the current model. Although Dacia is keeping the final official specifications under wraps, rumors point to the use of an LFP battery with a capacity of around 27.5 kilowatt-hours, with optimized variants that could offer increased range compared to